So I thought I would do it again where I just kind of like ramble off the questions that are going to be asked, and then the answers are like my study guide, basically. I use GoodNotes. Come back. And this is for BMD 111, 112, might be, I don't know, it is an anatomy physiology class, but it's for people who aren't going into nursing or like they're going into a health related field, but they're not themselves health related. You know, I don't know how to explain it. Okay. So it's not as hard, I guess is the best way to put that. Yeah. So I'm just gonna start reading them off and memorize them and stuff. Yeah. I'm sorry. What is the main component of all body fluids? Water. The average young adult human male contains about 42 liters of water total. Which system is responsible for the most common route of water loss? The urinary system. Water loss that we don't notice is insensible water loss. What part of the brain controls the thirst mechanism? Hypothalamus. Which of the following is an excess accumulation of intestinal fluids? Edema. What system is carbon monoxide eliminated from the body? Respiratory system. What leads to metabolic alkalosis? Severe vomiting that leads to the loss of acidic fluids. For what imbalance is the release of an antidiuretic hormone appropriate? Fluid and electrolyte imbalance. The fusion of sperm and egg is known as fertilization. Sperm in the epidermis travels immediately to the efferent ductals. Where does sperm occur? In the testes. The semi-furious tubules. At which point in life does spermatogenesis begin in a male? Puberty. Decline in male reproductive functions occur during andropause. What is the main female gonad? The ovaries. Where does fertilization usually occur? The fallopian tube. What portion of the uterus is composed of smooth muscles and contains rhythmical during orgasms and childbirth? Myomatrum. Which of the following accompanies puberty? Menarche. The fusion of sperm cells in the secondary oocyte is known as fertilization. What follows immediately after fertilization? Cleavage or cleavage? Not really sure. The gestation period is approximately 280 days. Which of the following releases human chronic gonadotropin? Syntheotroplast. After fertilization, the zygote rapidly divides and produces smaller genetically identical cells known as pronuclei. Which of the following is the inner germ layer? The endogerm. What does the ectoderm form? Outer linings. The epidermis. Hair. Which germ layer forms the gonads and the kidneys? The mesoderm. Which connects the placenta to fetus? The umbilical cord. What do the umbilical cord arteries transport? Deoxidated, nutrient depleted blood. What does not pass through the placenta barrier between material and fetal blood supplies. Blood cells. Again, what is the main component of all bodily fluids? Water, 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 water. The average young adult human male contains about 42 liters of water. 42 liters of water. Which system is responsible for the most common route of water loss? The urinary system. Water loss from that we don't notice is insensible water loss. Insensible water loss. What part of the brain controls the thirst mechanism? The thirst mechanism. Hypothalamus, 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 hypothalamus. Which of the following is an excess accumulation of interstitial fluid? Interstitial fluids. Edema. Edema. Through what system is carbon dioxide eliminated from the body? The respiratory system. What leads to metabolic alkalinity? That is not being pronounced right, and I apologize. Severe vomiting that leads to the loss of acidic fluids in the stomach. For which imbalance is the release of an antidiuretic hormone appropriate fluid in electrolyte loss? The fusion of sperm and egg is known as fertilization. 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 If you hear a movie in the background, my boyfriend has to watch a movie and make a PowerPoint on it for his class, so sorry. Sperm in the epidermis travels immediately next to the efferent ductals. 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 Where does sperm occur in the testes? Semini, purus, tubules, tubules, tubules. At what point in life does the spermatogenesis begin in a male? Puberty, puberty, puberty. Decline in the male reproductive functions occur during anadropause. Pause, anadropause, anadropause, anadropause. What is the main female gonad? Female gonad. The ovaries. The ovaries. Where does fertilization usually occur? The fallopian tube. Fallopian tube. What portion of the uterus is composed of smooth muscles and contracts rhythmically during orgasm and childbirth? Myometrium. 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 Which of the following accompanies puberty? Menarche. Menarche. The fusion of a sperm cell in the secondary oocyte is known as what? Fertilization. Fertilization. What follows immediately after fertilization? Cleavage. Cleavage. The gestation period is approximately 280 days. 280 days. 280 days. Which of the following releases human chromatic gonadotropin? I don't know if that's pronounced. I'm gonna butcher some of this. Cyanotroblast. Cyanotroblast. That is not correct. After fertilization, the zygote rapidly divides to produce small, genetically identical cells known as pronuclei. Pronuclei. Which of the following is the inner germ layer? Endogerm. What does the also known as the outer linings. Which germ layer forms the gonads and kidneys? The mesoderm. What connects placenta to fetus? Umbilical cord. What do the umbilical cord arteries transport